Hello, my name is Stephanie O'Neill, and in this video I will be addressing the phosphorus cycle. The reason I'm focusing on this topic is because it is becoming more and more crucial in our ever-developing world, and using it in an unsustainable way can lead to extremely negative results. Phosphorus is a mineral that we use to fertilize plants. The only natural way phosphorus is released is through the weathering of rocks because it is stored in the form of rock phosphate. From there, it is transported by water to plants, and phosphorus uptake and assimilation occurs. However, humans disrupt the cycle by simply mining phosphorus and taking it out of the natural cycle at one point. It is then placed at a different point in the cycle upon infusing it with other components to make up plant fertilizer. Two negative effects come from this: eutrophication and speeding up of the phosphorus cycle. Eutrophication is caused by the use of phosphorus fertilizers. Not all of the fertilizer is absorbed by plants naturally. However, when leaching occurs, or when nutrients are taken from the soil through water runoff, the nutrients are transferred to nearby lakes or streams. The flux of nutrients from the plant fertilizers then causes an algal bloom. The rate of algae death also increases with the rate of algae reproduction, of course. Therefore, more dead organic matter is being decomposed in these bodies of water, so more oxygen is being used up in order to break this matter down. This then keeps other animals in the water, such as fish, from having a constant or adequate source of oxygen, so they die and biodiversity is lost. Increase in water turbidity also, as a result of less dissolved oxygen, causes photosynthetic organisms, meaning plants like submerged grasses, to be stressed because not as much sunlight is filtering through the water. And secondly, it is sped up because instead of allowing phosphorus to be released in its own time naturally, we help it along by mining it. However, we are mining it faster than it can be replenished. It takes a long time for phosphorus to be converted back into phosphates because the phosphorus must settle and be compressed for a long enough time that rock forms. The reason it is so important for phosphorus to be used at a sustainable rate is because phosphates are essential nutrients for plant growth. They are used in molecules such as ATP, NADPH, DNA, and RNA. You might be wondering, why can't we let this run out? Well, here it is. Phosphorus is an essential plant nutrient. We know that. Yet with the Earth's population growing continuously, we're going to need more food. A lot more. This means we need to grow more crops and expand agriculturally. If we don't have enough phosphorus to fertilize plants with, we won't be able to keep up food production with the rate countries are growing. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot.